close. All right, so we're going to do tonight. We thought, okay, I'm Wes, that much I remember, and you're Maria, okay? Maria is helping me, and I thank you very much for that. And what we did, we taught a cutting flip with a guy's turn at the end, where he changed hands. So we all know that very well. So we did a sugar, right to right sugar, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Breaking it down, we did a 1 stop 2. She allowed her to go back as we went back 2 steps. 3, and asked for her hand to get it by 4. Turning her around 5 over 6. Asking for her other hand 7 and 8. Wasn't that easy? So then we did a roll in where we bring it to the outside with it over the hand. Position 3 and 4. Wrap the shoulder letter out 5 and 6. Without stopping, it looks something like this. It would be sugar 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and a 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 to the other hand, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, and you're not running out. Okay, thank you guys very much. Take care of your bartenders and waitresses, because they'll probably get you a drink over, right? And if you have any questions, see Jim, because God knows I can't answer it. So we'll see. Y'all have a blast. Robert, it's all yours. Thank you.